Welcome back to the Graph TFS, guys. So, guys, I'll be taking you on me back testing my strategy and also showing you how to use the heine ashi candlestick. This is basically a Japanese candlestick. So, I'll start my back testing on the my first pair on my list is AUDJPY. So we can all see that AUDJPY is on a strong buying trend on the weekly time frame, strong buying trend, and we can clearly see that. First of all, I'll just have to mark out my highs. First of all, mark out a strong high in the weekly. Then mark out a strong low at the weekly too. Then I'll mark out my recent resistance support level. I don't need to go into depth. I'll just mark out the recent resistance support here from this level towards this high here. So guys, we can see that this year is kind of a bit stronger zone. You can see how they call it quite some numbers of rejection at that level there, guys. And remember, this is the weekly time frame, you guys. So weekly, that's the weekly time frame. I think there's nothing much to it than to drop down to the daily time frame. Dropping down the daily time frame, we can see after you can see after the break of this resistance, there was kind of a test. Then we can see this kind of bullish impulsive daily candle here. This bullish impulsive daily candle here, showing that there are enough buyers today in market actually higher. Understand? So this was a correction here, a break. This correction serves as a break of that resistance level, and then and a bullish candle towards the upside. So that's it for the daily time frame. That's it for the daily time frame. I remember whenever we are seeing a bullish structure, we are expecting higher highs and higher lows. Understand? Higher highs and higher lows, and that's what this pair has been here. You can see higher high, higher low, 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 and higher high. So that's what I was expecting on this pair. So, but however, we have to drop down and actually mark out more support and resistance level because it wasn't clear on the weekly time frame. So, clearly here we can also see support levels at this point. At this point, support level, even at this point, yeah, support level, guys. So, I have to go to the left side of the chart. I took a trade. I made an analysis on UGPI that played out. So after seeing this high here, this high at this point, and then this low, and also seeing this high, I was expecting for market to drop down and give me a new low for a new uptrend. So what I went I also understood that this is a daily level here, even as much as you can see, if you can see very closely, this is a daily level here. Don't you? I'll draw on to the hourly time frame for you to see clearly, guys. So let me go on to the forward time frame. Dropping on the forward time frame, what I'm seeing here is kind of a resistance support level, serving as a resistance level, where market will surely take support to the uptrend to continue in the uptrend. So what I did was just to mark out this level. I remember, guys, there's a pair in GPY basket, just like a major pair for the yen pairs. So whenever GPY basket is fine, you can go on TradingView, search for it on your trading platform, search for GPY basket. It basically means that this just almost like dollar and the USD, understand? It moves opposite to the yen pairs. So whenever GPY basket is actually selling, AU JPY, NZ JPY, Euro JPY, they're all buying. So I don't know if watch close at this level here. It was this kind of 4 hours resistance level. So I just waited, and since I'm waiting for a new low to continue the uptrend, so I think I just don't go just go to choose the Henny. It's called in the Henny Ashi candle. So you can see this massive drop towards this level. This was a massive drop towards this level. Understand? It has few internal market structures to it, dropping down to this support level, showing us strong buying reactions. Understand? What I want to see just like a change of character in the minor structure and the lower time frame, maybe in the 4 hour, in the 1 hour time frame. That's what we want to see, understand, to get in the trade after taking our daily or 4 hour support level. So I think there's nothing much to do to drop down to the 1 hour time frame. Dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, and we can clearly see there's a minor structure towards that resistance level, making it support. You can see lower low, lower high. Then we can also see another low here, another low here, a lower high, another low here, a lower high, another low. Then we're waiting for lower high and lower low. Understand? So we were waiting for lower high ball. He gave us a like an equal high here, Instead of giving us lower low, he gave us the higher low here, and then equal higher is equal higher low. Understand? Then we can see. Okay, so sorry guys. I'm rather say that this is so it was supposed to give us a higher low, a higher low. That was give us here. Since from this point here we start getting higher lows, and then we can start a higher low. Understand? Then what was it for a retest and then a buy to the upside. So why does it work? And if you clearly see, I mostly trade patterns, guys. This is clearly a head and shoulder pattern. Clearly a head and shoulder pattern, guys. A head and shoulder pattern, guys. And if you see, if you I mean, sure you want to do, they use trend line mostly. You notice that this looks mostly like a triangle pattern. It's clearly a triangle pattern. It's clearly a triangle pattern. And also, this is a resistance level. You can see so many rejections at that level. So when the market finally broke above this level, I just put my buy to. I didn't take this trade at all. I didn't take this trade. Just put my buy to. Sorry, I just took my buy to around this level. Then my stop was just below this low here, and then targeted this high. Targeted this high, and that's around this 57 pips. Targeting 114 pips. That's almost a 1 is to almost one is to 3. Almost 1 is 2 point something. 1 is 2.8. What's that? 1 is 2.8, 2.7. Just around this low, yeah. So 1 is to 2. 1 is 2 point something. 2.5 though. So that was my analysis on AUDJPY. So I think next pair on my list was a Euro card. I took a trade on Euro card though. So I think we have to check out Euro card. So guys, this is Euro card. I think I should use the normal daily candle. This is the normal daily candle. This is Euro card. Starting from the daily, I'll starting daily from here. You can all see this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is the massive swing structures. Understand? Then we can see after this making high high, making high high here, kind of form of consolidation around here. They're both about a chain of character. Understand? Taking out all these structures at once, guys. Taking out all these recent structure at once, guys. Whenever I see this kind of consolidation and a massive selling pressure as this, a massive selling pressure at this, guys, taking out all this recent structure at this point, showing me that, guys, there are enough sellers to take the market down. Understand? Yeah, there are enough sellers in the market to push the market lower. So what I did was that, guys, I just had to mark out my highest high, and then maybe mark out a strong low. And remember, I don't forget my FVGs. Understand? If you do use FVGs, but I think FVGs are kind of a stronger how will I put it? A stronger form of support. Understand? A stronger form of support. Because this large FVG market must surely there must surely come and be like how they call it, the mitigation. Understand? The market must surely come down into here at least around this level to mitigate this FVG here. So after seeing this kind of consolidation around this level, this kind of massive consolidation, it created a change of character. You can also see this massive selling pressure here. This massive sell candle. I think I should highlight it for you guys. This massive selling pressure here, causing a change of character at this point. I think I should mark it out. So it created a change of character. I think I should mark it out. So guys, this is where the change of character happened after this massive consolidation. And remember, this was a support level that has housed many number of rejections. You can see there was a rejection at this level. You can see support at this level. You can see support at this level. You can see support again at this level. This is the third time at this level, or this is the third time taking support at this level, and this is the second time taking resistance at this level, and then support at this level again, support again, and then massive break of structure, or massive, you can say massive selling pressure, causing a change of character, taking out all these lows that's gathered here. Understand? So that created a change of character. So after a change of character, I would also wait for retracement to a strong resistance level, then take the trade all the way to this FVGA. But normally, this is also a lower recognized. This is also a lower recognized. So I'm dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that after this change of character, at this level, I should delete this stuff, guys. After this change of character here, this massive selling pressure, we're waiting for a retracement. And So God be the glory, the retracement came. Then we can see um rejection at this point, guys. We see market went up this way, rejected this, sellers are coming market more. Then up again, sellers came pushing market. There was almost like a correction rather. The buyer and sellers were struggling at this level. But we can also see at this level here, the sellers are trying to dominate. Then we can see this looks more like a head and shoulder pattern, no, guys, a head and shoulder pattern. So there was a kind of a correction before this massive sell. So I couldn't enter the correction though. What I entered was the breakout of this correction, because this is a consolidation. This is a consolidation here. So what I entered was the breakout. So I just took my sales here, my stop loss just somewhere just above this high here, this high recently I created, and then my TP just at this level. Although I would love to take it all the way to this low here, but the end of here was around the corner, so I decided to like close my entries. Understand? Close my entries. So that's it on Euro card. And I think I should use the heine ashi candle to this Japanese candle actually show you the reason why I would have actually taken the trade. We can see that after this massive selling period that caused the change of card, this one here at this point, there was kind of a buyers, like massive buyers coming to the market. But then we can also see that whenever the buyer tries to break up at this level, you can see selling pressure coming. Whenever I start to see buyers, you can see massive selling pressure coming. Then you can see at this point again, buyers trying to come, but you can see that there was massive selling pressure. Taking out this low here, this low at this point. I think I should be pointing it. All this low, taking out all this low at this point. So and we can see this code, there the continuous massive selling pressure down to the downside. So and also, if you look very well, this is more like this what's happening here now is more like a correction. Understand? A correction to the downside. So okay, we'll likely see another sell to the downside. We'll likely see another stronger sell, massive selling pressure to the downside. So my entry be around the point, and my stop loss will just be somewhere around this high. Somewhere around this high. That will just be it. So guys, I've come to the end of my backtesting on my strategy, which is a combination of market structure, support and resistance, LVGs. That's just all. That's all, guys. That's all, guys. So thank you guys. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to support me on my trading journey. Good luck to you guys.